राधे राधे गोविंद गोविंद राधे 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 गोविंद गोविंद राधे.
There is no is. So we decided that now chant this Radha name.
अब माला लेके बैठ गए कन्हैया जप कर रहे आग बंद करे राधे 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 राधे
And he is closing his eyes, chanting Radhe 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 Radhe. This is the quality. This is the nature of God.
नहीं
Every time, all the time.
हर जगह में भक्तों को और राधा रानी को इन लोग को सबसे ऊंचा मेरा.
Always he keep devotee higher. He give the place to devotee, to his devotee always higher, like Radha Rani.
जैसा वैष्णव को विशेष महत्व है ऐसा राधा रानी को विशेष महत्व.
So same, like Vaishnava he is considering higher, so he is considering Radha Rani first. She is also higher.
कन्हैया कहता है हमको पूजा मत करो कोई जरूरत नहीं है.
He's not saying, he's saying don't worship me. Don't offer so many things to me, no. But
राधा रानी के प्रसन्न करो.
so you please Radha Rani. If she pleased,
जैसा सब्जी खरीदने के लिए जाता है कोई,
as an example that someone goes to the vegetable market to buy vegetable,
आप सब्जी ले लिया,
and after taking this vegetable,
आप सब्जी दुकानदार को कह रहे भाई एक ठो मिर्ची दे दे, नेक्स्ट धनिया भी डाल दे उसमें.
and he took the vegetable already, but now he's saying to this grocer that you please give little chili, also this green chili, and some coriander leaves also extra.
दुकानदार ने धनिया डाल दिया, दो मिर्ची डाल दी.
So when he asked, so this shopkeeper also, grocer also, he put little bit this leaves of the coriander and the little chili.
जैसा सब्जी लेने की बाद वो फालतू मिलती है, तो राधा रानी की पाने की बाद कन्हैया फालतू मिलता है.
So the same thing. First you got vegetable and you ask this, so the without any price you got these two things in free. So same thing. If you are pleasing Radha Rani, so the Krishna is in free.
भगवान महत्व जाता है.
So always Krishna is giving to Radha Rani the higher place.
राधा रानी भी भक्तों को बहुत महत्व है.
And she also, Radha Rani also gives the higher place to devotee.
कोई वैष्णव को अगर किसी ने दुख दे दिया तो राधा रानी वो सहन नहीं करे.
So if someone unpleased some Vaishnava, Radha Rani is not happy. This is very clear in Braja at least, or wherever is Vaishnava Aparad is Radha Rani will not happy. And when Radha Rani is not happy, then staying in Braja is little thinkable.
वो नवद्वीप में देखिए चपाल गोपाल.
In the Navadvip Leela, this Chapal Gopal two people,
वो शिवास को निंदा किया था ना,
they criticized Srivas Prabhu,
इसलिए कुष्ठ हो गए थे.
and they have this leprosy, one kind of disease in their body.
फिर महाप्रभु की आस
Chapal Gopal. एक ही थे कि दो थे?
दो.
Two people were there. Chapal Gopal.
तो फिर महाप्रभु एक दिन आके महाप्रभु की चरण में गिर गया.
And they came one day because they were suffering, because they criticized first and they have got this disease.
तुम सारी ब्रह्मांडों को उद्धार कर रही हो, हम क्या कर दिया.
And said to Mahaprabhu that, oh, you are giving so different kind of blessings to people all around of this world. So what mistake we make? We made what kind of mistakes so we have this?
बोले तुमको उद्धार नहीं करेंगे.
Then Mahaprabhu said, no, this facility is not for you.
तुम भक्तो देशी हो,
Because you criticize.
तुम वैष्णव को निंदा करते हो,
You are envious with devotee.
तुमको
And you
उद्धार
criticize.
नहीं- तुमको उद्धार नहीं करेंगे.
So this facility is not available for you, that you get rid of this kind of punishment.
फिर उन्होंने चरण नहीं छोड़ते हैं.
So Chapal Gopal didn't, they were holding the feet of Mahaprabhu, but they didn't left even after saying this.
बोले ठीक है, हमारे पास तुमने तो गलती किया नहीं, गलती तो तुम्हारी शिवास के पास हुआ ना.
Well, okay, you are holding my feet, but you didn't do such anything bad with me. You did something with Srivas Prabhu.
तुम्हारे
So you go to him and hold his feet like this.
वैष्णव अपराध इतना कठिन होता है.
So the biggest aparad is Vaishnava aparad. Neither Krishna or Radharani will not
इसीलिए भक्त
forgive you.
कहा जाता है उनको.
Now इनका राधा
तो
कुंड.
हर टाइम कृष्ण सबको उच्चा उच्चा महत्व देता है.
All the time for his devotee.
उसी भाव है. राधा रानी की भी सबसे उच्चा महत्व.
So this is the same. He has given the higher place to Radharani as he gives the devotee. The supreme devotee is Srimati Radhika. So she is always top. And same other devotee, he gives this same kind of higher place.
कृष्ण कुंड में स्नान मत करो, राधा कुंड में स्नान कर लो, कन्हैया खुश है.
No need to take shower in Shama Kund or Krishna Kund. You took bath in Radha Kund, Krishna is automatically happy.
क्यों? फालतू मिला ना.
So this is like same thing, this chili and coriander leaves, you go there, you do everything there. This water will you get automatically, you no need to go.
कुंड जब निर्माण हो गया तब उभय कुंडों की वर प्रदान कर रहे हैं.
कौन?
कन्हैया एवं राधा रानी.
Kundu ko. After establishing this kunda, both of them are giving blessings to this kunda, Radharani and Krishna.
तो कन्हैया कह रहे हैं,
Now Krishna is saying,
जो हे राधे तुम्हारी कुंड में स्नान जो करेगा तुम्हारी बराबर प्रेम प्राप्त होगा और हमको मिलेगा.
so whosoever will take bath in this your Radha Kund, so he will be near and dear as you are to me, and finally he will come to me.
राधा रानी भी बोला ऐसे.
And Radharani also said the same thing for Shama Kund.
जो श्याम कुंड में स्नान करेगा वो हमको प्राप्ति करेगा.
She said also that whosoever will take bath in Shama Kund, he will be near and dear will be like you, and finally he will come to me.
ऐसा राधा कुंड उत्पत्ति कैसा हुआ सबको मालूम है.
So how Radha Kund is formed, everybody is knowing. You also, I think. So you want to know some glorification of Radha Kund or what?
इसलिए राधा रानी को प्रसन्न करने से ही कन्हैया प्राप्ति हो जाएगा.
Please Radharani automatically.
जल्दी प्राप्ति हो जाए.
Please Radharani, if you want to go to Krishna very quickly, you want to attend association of Krishna quickly, so please only Radharani. He will be free. He will come to you in free like this vegetable.
राधा कुंड श्याम कुंड जो है ऐसा राधा रानी की चरण जहाँ पड़ती है वहाँ हर तीर्थ विराजमान हो जाता है.
So Radha Kund, Shyam Kund is like that. Where Radharani's feet are there, she puts her feet. So no need to go any other different place, holy places. All holy places are there. Where Radharani puts her feet.
जब वो कुंडो निर्माण बनाया उसकी बाद ललिता सखी को ऑर्डर दिया कन्हैया ने.
After establishing this kunda, Krishna ordered to Lalita Sakhi.
बोले देखो ललिता सब तीर्थ आया कि नहीं.
And he is asking to Lalita, oh Lalita, please watch. All holy places are here or not?
तो ललिता सब तीर्थ को पूछा.
Now she is inquiring about all. Everybody is there or not?
या ये सब लीला करने की क्या जरूरी है. क्यों? राधा रानी की चरण में तो हर तीर्थ विराजमान होता है.
ललिता Sakhi कह रही है.
नहीं, ये हम लोग के.
हाँ. So no need to go any other different holy places. He say.
सब तीर्थ को बुलाने की क्या जरूरी थी.
So why it was necessary? Radharani was there. Why Krishna said to Lalita Sakhi that go and watch that everyone is there or not? Because where there is Radharani, where Radharani's feet, at the time of formation of Radha Kund, Krishna said to Lalita Sakhi, you go and watch that all holy places of these planets are here or not at Radha Kund. So why it was necessary that Krishna said to Lalita Sakhi? Because Radharani is already there. And where Radharani feeds, all holy places are already there. But why Krishna said to Lalita Sakhi to this type of Leela? तो लीला करने की क्या जरूरत थी?
कोई जरूरत नहीं है हर
It was not necessary.
बुलाने के लिए.
It was not necessary. It was not necessary to call all different holy places at one place.
बोले है.
And Krishna said, yes, it is necessary.
ये मर्त्य भूमि है.
This is Prithvi. Everybody dies
ये
in this
मर्त्य भूमि में
mortal place.
कर्मों को विशेष महत्व दिया गया.
So on this mortal place, on this earth, karma, action means what you are doing. Karma has given a special place.
ये मर्त्य भूमि है. नर रूपे भगवान आके साधारण आदमी की रूप धारण करके उत्पन्न हुआ.
So Krishna also came in the form of a common person. So this is because this is earth, this is mortal. So whosoever comes, he has to do something here.
भगवान दिखा रहे और कह रहे देखो हम भी जब ये मर्त्य में जन्म लेती हैं अवतार लेती हैं जब हम भी यहाँ की नियम को पालन करती हैं.
That Krishna is showing this, that when I took birth as a human form here, so I have to also follow the everything. If I am following, then everybody has to follow this.
यही बात महाप्रभु ने कहा है.
And the same thing Chaitanya Mahaprabhu also said.
क्या कहा?
What?
আপনি আচার্য ধর্ম শিখাইনু সবাই আপনি না আচার্য धर्म सिखाना न जाए यही तो सिद्धांत गीता भागवत है. हम खुद अगर आचरण नहीं करेंगे तो दूसरा को क्या शिक्षा देंगे?
If I am saying something and I myself is not following, then how to whom I am saying they will follow. So if I am saying to someone, it is very necessary that I need to follow. I am also doing the same thing. Then I can say someone to do like this.
हम आचरण करेंगे वही देख के तो सब आचरण करेगा.
What I will do, others will follow.
हम कृष्ण कहे के नाचेंगे गाएंगे जो भी तो सब लोग.
Mahaprabhu said, if I will chant this Hare Krishna Maha Mantra and dance and play and we will exercise, then the people will also do.
ऐसा भी यहाँ कन्हैया भी कर रहा है.
The same thing in Krishna Leela, Krishna is performing.
नहीं तो कोई जरूरत नहीं था.
Although it was not necessary to call all holy places at Radha Kund.
बोल ये तीर्थ को कोई नहीं मानता फिर तो.
If it happens, then nobody would be ready to give respect to other holy places.
ये तीर्थ जो बनाया किसने बनाया? भगवान ने बनाया ना.
These all holy places also created by Krishna, na? Radharani.
तो तीर्थ को भगवान खूब उनको मान्यता नहीं देगा, साधारण जीव क्या मान्यता देगा?
If Krishna will not show this, that I myself are also respecting to these holy places, then how possible that a common jiva, this common individual living entity will respect these holy places?
तो राधा रानी को भी कन्हैया नहीं बनाया. कन्हैया ने अगर उनको उच्च स्थान में नहीं बैठाएगा तो कौन मानेगा?
So Radharani also the creation of is a different form of Krishna. If Krishna will not give the higher place or the respect Radharani, who will do?
इसीलिए राधा
How others will do?
विशेष महत्व है.
That's why he has given to the special attention to Srimati Radhika.
Radhika is in Shyama.
Radharani तो कह रहे हैं श्याम कुंड में ये करने से ऐसा होता.
उभय की उभय तो बराबर है ना.
There is no means comparatively there is no difference.
कन्हैया तो ऐसे पीछे पीछे डोलते ही रहता है.
So Krishna is follower. He's saying you always say Radha and just follow where she is going.
खाली राधा रानी के पीछे नहीं भक्तों के पीछे भी घूमता है.
But not only after Radharani, he also follow the devotees also. He also walks after devotee.
जितनी भक्त होगा जितना उच्च भक्त होगा उनकी दरवाजा पर डंडा लेके खड़ी हो जाता है.
So it depends on the kind of devotee. Highest devotee is there, then he is always ready. He becomes watchman at his doorstep. It becomes
खड़ा है ऐसा है कोई कहीं नहीं जो कैची के दरवाजे पे खड़ी है डंडा लेके कन्हैया.
So do you know that somewhere it's a story that he is still watchman at one place?
है.
One story is there. One example is there.
दरवाजे पे डंडा लेके खड़ी है. दरवान है. चौकीदार है.
At the doorsteps of Raja Bali, he is there. That Vamana avatar. at the door of Raja King Bali, he is their watchman. He is still standing there, holding one stick in his hand.
ये खाली बलि राजा की दरबार नहीं है, राधा रानी की भी दरबार है.
Not only at the door of the king Bali, it's at the door of Srimati Radhika is also watchman.
राधा रानी एक बार लीला करते करते राधा रानी को राजा बना दिया.
And at one time, in the past time, so performing different kind of leela, one time he made Radha Rani a king.
तो और जितनी था सखी लोग सब अलग अलग पोस्ट बांट लिया.
So when Radha Rani became king, so different Sakhi has different ministry in the
कोई
court.
मंत्री है, कोई कोतवाल है,
Some became minister, some became this
कोई खिलाने पिलाने
treasurer,
के लिए है,
some
कोई-
became the rasoiya, and different departments they took their separate department.
सब सखी लोग सब अलग अलग डिपार्टमेंट ले लिया. कन्हैया चुपचाप बैठे.
And the only left is Krishna. He has no.
अब सखी लोग कह रहे हैं अब तुम्हारे लिए तो कोई प्लेस बचा नहीं है, अब तुम क्या करोगे?
And the Sakhis teasing him that now everything has been distributed, all departments are full. What is left for you now?
तुम्हारा क्या ड्यूटी है यहाँ?
What's your duty?
बोले है.
Well, yes, my duty is
बोला
there.
हम दरवान गेट पे रहेंगे डंडा
So,
लेके,
I will
किसी
be-
को घुसने नहीं देंगे.
I will be watchman at the gate. Nobody can enter.
ये स्थान है निधुवन.
This Nidhi one.
वह राधा रानी राजा हुआ ना, राधा
There-
रूप दर्शन है वहाँ.
There Radha Rani
विशाखा
become-
मंत्री.
There Radha Rani becomes king and Lalita Vishakhas are the minister over there. This is Nidhi one.
ये तो सबको दरवाजा पे डंडा लेके खड़ी हो जाता है.
And Krishna is watchman over there after 6. Oh, no shouting.
ऐसा वहाँ भी हुआ था. कहाँ?
The same thing happens. When you put one switch is there, bulb.
ऐसा मत करो. यहाँ भी हुआ है. कहाँ पर? युधिष्ठिर महाराज जब राष्ट्र यज्ञ किया था,
Same thing happened that Maharaj Yudhishthir in Mahabharata time, he was performing this Rajasuya Yagya. One big Yagya he was doing.
सबको सब सेवा बांट दिया.
And also in this Yagya, because it's a big Yagya, need many people and they have different services in this Yagya.
अब कन्हैया रह गया.
And finally Krishna left.
बोले देखो हमारी सेवा है.
Then Krishna said, okay, you don't worry. I have my seva.
बोले क्या सेवा?
Then Maharaj Yudhishthir asked, what kind of seva you will have?
बोले दरवाजा पे जितना आदमी घुसेगा सबको पैर धुलाएंगे और पैर पूछेंगे कपड़ा लेंगे.
So this is my service. Whosoever will come from the door, I will just clean their feet and I will dry their feet with a towel.
कि हमारा कन्हैया की काम ही ऐसे ही है सब.
So this is the Krishna's nature. Always ready to do.
वत्सल कहा जाता है.
That's why his name is Bhakta Vatsal.
इनकी
This is the
महिमा
nature.
सबसे ऊपर है.
So it's the topmost glorified services he has. So nobody can say that how merciful or what type of nature he has.
उन्होंने ही तो सब तीर्थ को बनाया.
He created all these holy places.
इसीलिए उन्होंने सब तीर्थ को बुलाया.
That's why he called.
तीर्थ को सम्मान देने के लिए, तीर्थ को कल्याण करने के लिए बुलाया.
To give mercy to the holy places. He called all different kind of holy places at Radha Kund.
बोले सब तीर्थ इसमें पानी में लीन हो जाओ, हम लोग स्नान करेंगे.
As well as not only to give them mercy, only to give them respect. He called the all holy places at Radha Kund and said to all holy places to take bath in this Radha Kund.
जब
So
सब तीर्थ कुंड में घुस गया, जब कन्हैया राधा रानी सखी लोग सब स्नान.
So all holy places, when they entered in this Radha Kund, then all Krishna, Radharani, all other Sakhis, they took bath in this.
इसलिए राधा कुंड की विशेष महत्व.
So Radha Kund is very special.
और राधा की बराबर प्रेम जिसके अंदर है नहीं, वो कन्हैया के पा नहीं सकती.
So if you want to attain if you want to go to near to Krishna, then you have to develop your love same like Radharani.
राधा रानी की बराबर प्रेम होना पड़ेगा अंदर।
That kind of love you must have.
जिसके अंदर राधा रानी की बराबर प्रेम हो गया वो तो निश्चिंतित है, कोई टेंशन है ही नहीं।
Whosoever having this equally love like Radharani to Krishna, they are the topmost. There is no one other comparatively anywhere.
वो जब चाहे जब ईश्वरी छोड़ के उनकी सेवा में पहुंचे।
So if such kind of love, if someone having, anytime he wants, he can leave this body and can go. He will just, wish will come and he will leave this body and he will go to where he wants. Radharani and Krishna.
राधा रानी जहाँ चरण स्पर्श किया ना तो वो तीर्थ भी पवित्र हो गया।
So where Radharani put her steps, so this place also become blissful, is become pious completely.
इसीलिए उसमें स्नान करने से भाव लेके स्नान करना।
So if you are going to Radha Kund and taking bath in Radha Kund, then you must have this mood.
ये राधा कुंड में स्नान करने से कोटि कोटि जन्म की जो पाप है सब नष्ट हो जाता है।
Whatever in past life you did, whatever sinful act or whatever is there you did, after taking bath in Radha Kund with full of faith and in this mood, it all burns.
इसमें संदेह नहीं।
It is not doubtful thing.
जो संदेह
Very clear.
करेगा
If you have doubt,
उसकी उल्टा अपराध हो जाएगा।
this will be a offense. If you have any doubt about Radha Kund like this, that this is a place like this,
अभी तो उसमें राधा रानी जल केली करती हैं।
still today Radha Rani and Krishnas are playing in this water.
स्नान करती हैं।
They took bath. They take bath every day.
ऐसा भाव लेके जो स्नान करेगा उसको अवश्य ही सब पाप नष्ट हो जाएगा, प्रेम प्राप्ति हो
So
जाएगा।
having this kind of faith and this kind of mood, whosoever take bath in Radha Kund, they will attain.
जब तक अंदर में भाव नहीं जागेगा, आंसू नहीं बहेगा, फिर स्नान करने से फल प्राप्ति होगा लेकिन पूर्ण भाव से नहीं होगा।
If someone have not this mood and not tears are coming for this prema, they will get something, but 100% they will not have anything 100%. They will get little bit, but this bhav if having, then it is totally 100% is there.
Radhe Radhe Go